Hey guys, today in this video, here's how to enable dark mode on every website in Google Chrome. There are two simple steps you need to follow. First, enable dark mode for Chrome itself. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left sidebar, click on Appearance. Under Theme, choose Dark. Now, to make websites automatically appear in dark mode as well, go to the address bar and type chrome//flags and then press Enter. In the search box, type Dark Mode. Look for the option called Auto Dark Mode for Web Contents. Click the drop-down menu next to it and set it to Enabled. Finally, click the Relaunch button at the bottom. Chrome will restart, and dark mode will now be applied to almost every website.